Also, I forgot to include this in my birthday video, but I'm going to be giving you a tour of my hotel that I'm staying at for my birthday.
Could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream. And a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. And a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Get off the elevator, there's an image here that looks like it's Madonna. I don't know, but it just looks like Madonna. I'm 100% sure this is Madonna. There's no one else that could be. Okay, so we're heading to my room. The hallways are just so gorgeous dolls. Oh my god, it just feels very Parisian up here. My room. Oh my god, I just love the wallpaper. And then what is that down there? Sorry, I have to sit downtown. This looks so scary. So this is, I'm scared of heights, so this is making me already very nauseous. This is such a stunning view. Look at that big building. This makes me nauseous, dolls. This little glass is separating me from falling out this window. Oh my god, there's a little person down there. Oh, this is breathtaking. Okay, so we're going to see more of this when I go to the rooftop pool. By the way, if I already feel nauseous here, the rooftop pool is going to make me feel even more nauseous. I just don't deal with heights. Okay, so I'm going to head to the room. And in. Oh, this is gorgeous. The bathroom. Oh. It's so stunning in here. Look at the floor. Oh my god, room tour. Let's do it. Since I come in, I found this door here and it leads to what I don't know. Maybe that's a secret room. I don't know. But I will ask them. Okay, we have the thermostat so I can make here more colder. We have this gorgeous black and gold mirror. That's a nice stunning place for gorgeous selfies. And I'm gonna move back. The toilet, so you can close the door. I love that, the sliding feature. This is nice, and then you can just open it like this and it reveals this gorgeous bathroom, which I have to turn on. There we go. Ooh, and let there be light. And there's me in the middle. So I didn't get the room that has the bathtub. They have this gorgeous bathtub that has marble all around it. And it kind of looks like this. I love the floors. It kind of looks like this, but it's marble. Like it's a bathtub, like this big, it's gorgeous. I'll probably pop a picture in here so you can see, I don't know. The shower. Holy crap. I'm gonna take a shower in here tonight. I love this. I love this. It's massive. This shower can fit 10 people. I love the little shower head detail. Oops, now I can't get it back in. Just say. I love this. I'm gonna have fun in here. I love the head. I love the black and white. This, me being all interior design-ish, this should be gold. Just for the black and white look, but it's fine. I'm just really into my, you know, details. This should have been all gold, but it's gorgeous. But yes, look at this detail. They give you the cups, the glasses to brush your teeth, I'm guessing. We've got like the nice marble. It's gorgeous in here, dolls. Look at all this. The tissues. It's gorgeous. I love this. It's like Art Deco. Then we got, oh my god, they wrapped this all gorgeous for me, dolls. Look at this. And then they give you these creams. You've got conditioner, wash in here. It's just luxury. It's a 5-star hotel, dolls. It really is a 5-star hotel. Okay, so I'm gonna open here. This is the toilet. I love how it's just separate from the rest of the place, and it's just this cute little toilet here. It's like, this is massive. This is huge. Everything is bigger in Texas. And now let's go and look at the actual, oops. Oh, that's the shower door. Let's go and look at the actual room. Oh, gorgeous. Because we're going to go to the pool, so I want to kind of hurry up with the tour. Look at this mirror. So stunning. And then, I don't know what this is. Oh, storage to hang clothes and stuff. Okay. All right. The room. Dun, 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 dun. It's gorgeous. This room is stunning. It's, again, there you go. The 1920s vibe, Art Deco. Oh, you can see the shower. You can see the shower from here. Look, so you can see someone, your lover, naked. I love that. I love that. It transitions and you can see into the shower. How freaking amazing. Like, I love it. Do you see that little dolls? How gorgeous is that? And then if you don't want to see, it becomes a mirror. All right, I love the bedding details, like the lamps on the side. I love that. I think it's gorgeous. And has more funky art. It's like a hand, that could be Madonna again with his dog. I love this. It's like a little desk. Love it. And another little bedside table. I love the details of this. I'm gonna sleep so good. They got deep pillows. I love the bed. Dolls, this is so gorgeous. Then we have our little mini bar. Oh my god, so I can have cups like Nespresso. They have an espresso. Most hotels only have the Keurig. This is, oh my god, dolls. I am, wow. And then we have like water on the side. And I'm gonna open here. We got an ice bucket. I can get breakfast in bed and stuff called to the room. I love it. More stuff in here. And a big fridge. This is so bomb. Love this. I love this hotel. And here, we've got a gorgeous view of downtown Houston. Houston is growing into such a massive city. Again, this makes me nervous. That makes me nervous. Does it mean someone down there was doing that on top of there? Like circling. Can you see all those little skid marks? Dolls, oh my god, the sun is so gorgeous. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm loving every moment of my birthday. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. I love it. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to close here. It's beautiful, breathtaking. So that is the room tour.
Life could be a dream, and I think down plans would come true. And I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I think down, lang, 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 boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. And I think down, lang, 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 boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Oh, life, and I think down, if I could take you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and I think down plans would come true. And I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Life could be a dream, and I think down plans would come true. And I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba, oh, ba, 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 ba. Ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba, oh, ba, 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 ba. Oh, life, ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, boom, go, shaboom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, ding dong. Plans would come true, ding dong. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so